Hi, I'm Dave Molsinski with Sly Incorporated, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a pulse pipe in a standard STJ top-load dust collector. In addition, we'll talk about the various Morse couplings that are available. This is a model of our Clean Air Plenum, complete with our internal pulse pipe, external pulse pipe connected to our cleaning system, both connected together with a Morse coupling and clamp, which aligns the two pipes together and creates an air seal. For disassembly, one loosens the T-handle, slides the Morse coupling onto the pulse pipe, raise the front of it, and lower from the rear bracket. Here on the left you can see the traditional Morse coupling that we've provided on our slide dust collectors for over the past 3 decades. On the right is our new standard. It's the Morse gripper coupling, and far more rigid and robust than the traditional model. Here we have a couple different types of gasket. One is a neoprene low temperature gasket. This is the red silicone gasket for high temperature. But regardless of whether you use a new clamp, an old clamp, high or low temperature, the most important part of installing the gasket into the clamp is to make sure that the seam, when you roll it together, is opposite the seam of the inside of the Morse coupling. Again, install the gasket with the seam opposite the overlap inside of the clamp. And now you're ready to install into your dust collector. To reassemble the pulse pipe, slide the Morse clamp onto the front and make sure that the rear pulse pipe and alignment pin are mounted securely into the rear bracket. Align the two pulse pipes together. Slide the Morse coupling up to the front against the front wall, with pressure applied to the rear wall and the Morse coupling to the front wall. Tighten the Morse coupling to ensure an airtight seal. Thanks for watching this video today. If you'd like to upgrade from our traditional Morse coupling to the new, more robust Morse gripper clamp, or any other of your dust collector needs, please call us at 800-334-2957 or visit us on our website at slyinc.com.